Hello, welcome back to my channel. Did you know Windows has a built-in tool that can help detect and remove certain malicious software? In this video, I will show you how to use the MRT command in just a few steps. So first of all, press Windows plus R on your keyboard or just open the run box. Windows plus R. Now type MRT. This is MRT. MRT and press OK or Enter button. Here we go. Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. This is an Windows built-in soft. The Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool is API. Now please next. Please choose a type of scan. There is three type of scan: get, quick scan, full scan, and customized scan. For the first step, choose quick scan. For a more true infection, select full scan. Next, if you need quick scan, then click quick scan. If you need full scan, then click full scan. Then click next. It will serve. Keep in mind that MRT is not a full antivirus solution. It's designed to detect and remove specific threats. For complete protection, keep Windows Security enabled in your system update. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows T and threats. Thank you.